Today we're in German OBI. There is a huge assortment of Vera. This is cool. Every ratchet is marked. Prices is reasonable. Not like in Ukraine. Sets is, well, it's expensive. Around 60 euros. There is Ghidorah stuff. Everything is locked, so German people don't steal it. It's pretty good ratchet, but it's Ghidorah red, so I'm not buying it. And kid don't like it. There's a lot of stuff here, but most of it is Lux Tools. Lux Tools is Chinese brand. There is a stand for Knipex. Large screwdriver set, 14 euros. Boxes, pretty average boxes. Set of 25 wrenches, cost 35 euro. Made in India, so not very bad. Screwdriver set from Vera. Again, Chinese tools. Looks alright, but not fast. There is a lot of this Lux brand, and if you take one of those and see on the bottom, it will say made in China in Russian, but sockets does look good. I think it's average Taiwanese stuff. There's axes and hand saw, other saws. I don't know how you call it, but you apply gypsum from it. It's stuff for tubes, mullets. Brushes. Sanitary stuff. Knives. But everything is Lux Tools. Yeah, he doesn't like it. And there is also Proxon. Proxon is a stuff made in Taiwanese. There is a set I would love to buy, but I ordered myself another stuff. And here is interesting stuff. I haven't seen it. Also flexible ratchet. Previously they didn't sell it. There is a set, so you could see it. It also screwed, so you don't steal the stuff. Big sets and small sets. It's 3/8. And it's empty boxes. And some single wrenches, 18 euro for the wrench with a ratchet. Pretty average price. But it's not made in Germany, it's Taiwanese.